Hey, Alex from Spikes here. So today what we're going to show you is the trigger guard installation block. We currently sell this on our website. It's actually a really cool tool for you guys at home that want to switch out your trigger guards, or help a friend out, switch theirs out, stuff like that. So it's just a little Delrin block. It has a pin protruding from it and a hole that is cut all the way through. So what this pin's going to do is it's going to line up the trigger guard for you to put the pin in a little bit easier, so it's not walking all over the place as you're hammering it down. And the hole is for when you remove a trigger guard, you can punch it straight through and have the pin drop out the other side. So it's really easy to use. Alright, let's do it. I'm going to demonstrate this with our Gen 2 billet trigger guard. Okay, so here's your trigger guard installation block, low receiver. So with this trigger guard, it uses a screw for the front, roll pin for the rear, and I'll just put a little tiny drop of blue. Put this inside the lower. Down. So this pin, you're going to line it up into there so it goes in. Take your roll pin starter punch, put it in, tap it down, it's in, take it off of there. You can position it pretty much almost any spot at this point. Now you don't want to go down too far because you'll scratch the outside of the lower right there. Take your regular punch. Flip it over, put a little tap to even that pin out, and it's in. Okay, so when you want to take it out, take your roll pin, hammer it out, make sure that the pin goes into that hole now. Not out yet. And you're done.